in Shiva Yoga, we say that every human being has 5 bodies. The physical body is Annamaya Kosha. The second body is Pranamaya Kosha. The third body is Manomaya Kosha. Fourth body is Jnanamaya Kosha. And the fifth body is Anandamaya Kosha. Now every thought which is arising from my mind, there is someone who is controlling my thoughts, who is controlling my emotions, who is controlling my unconscious reflex action. And that is my fourth body, the Jnanamaya Kosha. And what is the Jnanamaya Kosha? The Jnanamaya Kosha has all the files of my contract with the consciousness. The Jnanamaya Kosha has all the belief system which are stored. And it is the belief system in our Vedic language, we call it Sanchit Karma. The samskara. It is the Sanchit Karma which control every thought which comes in my mind. It is my Sanchit Karma which creates a reaction towards every incident which happens in my life, how I react. If this money is lying there, so every individual will have different reaction. Somebody say, oh, this must be somebody's money, and I must look for it. Please, there is a money and somebody has the money. So his reaction is, it must reach. And the other will say, चलो तेरे किस्मत है, भगवान ने दिया है, लक्ष्मी जी है, तूने लक्ष्मी जी की पूजा करी थी, माल आ गया ले। So it is how I convince myself. So it is the reaction. It is the reaction. But truthfully, who is controlling my reaction to every incident is my Sanchit Karma. Now, there are so many books and so many popular books have come. The Secret has come. Everything has come. Everyone is reading. But nobody is getting changed. The thing is that you know that it is your thoughts which are going to make things in your life. But you cannot change your thoughts because your thoughts are controlled by your Sanchit Karma. Until and unless those karmic factors are released, until and unless that contract is cancelled, until and unless that negative belief system is released, the thought cannot be changed. That is why in Shiva Yoga, we just do not believe in pravachan, discourse. This discourse, you must be liking it. Even now, since morning till now, whatever I have spoken, you must have all liked it. But my God, if I don't make you experience, I don't make you do the sadhana, I don't make you release the karmic factor, by the time you go back home, you will start thinking, reacting in the same manner as you were doing before entering into the hall. You go back and you will be the same person. If you have to be a changed person, then this sadhana is very important. I speak because you like my speaking. And now the thing has happened, even I have started liking my speaking. इसको हमारी भाषा में बोलते हैं व्यसन हो गया है. Lekin the truth is, the time I will be able to utilize more properly if I speak less and accomplish more by making you do the sadhana. You understand? When the sadhana is there, all that, like that gentleman said, can you teach me how to release? He is very truthful because he knows that he is unable to release on his own. And release is what? The Sanchit Karma. It is that sanchit karma which is controlling your thoughts. One person is very positive, another person is very negative. It is because of those samskaras, the karmic factors, the negative psychic impressions which a person is holding in him. And the moment I release, that is why Shiva Yoga says no one is bad and no one is good. Everyone is the best. Only thing is, you must, if both of them come and become a sadhak, then after the end of the sadhana, both are going to be the best. Because it is those negative samskaras which are controlling the thought process, which are controlling the emotions, which are controlling the reaction, which are controlling the reflex action. That will be changed, and you will find automatically you are a changed person. This is what every Shiva Yogi is experiencing. They are changed person. Now they don't believe in miseries. They don't believe in, they say, I am the creator of my own destiny. I